Two planes, one fatal mistake, a fiery collision that took 2 lives and shook a quiet Arizona airport. How did a routine day in the sky turn into a deadly disaster? On February 19, 2025, 2 small aircraft collided midair at Marana Regional Airport in Arizona. A Cessna 172 and an experimental Lancair 360 were involved in a tragic accident that left 2 people dead. While the Cessna was able to land safely, the Lancair crashed to the ground in flames. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what happened from the flight paths to the collision and uncover the critical decisions that led to this devastating event. The Lancair 360 Mark II, registration November 3602 Mike, a sleek experimental aircraft departed from Eagle Roost Air Park. Meanwhile, the Cessna 172 Skyhawk SP, registration November 463 Echo Romeo, a popular training aircraft, took off from Chandler Municipal Airport. Their destination, Marana Regional Airport. According to ADSB data, both aircraft had been flying in the VFR pattern for approximately 15 minutes. At the time of the incident, they were both on approach to runway 12. The Lancair, with its higher approach speed, was rapidly closing in on the Cessna, which was on final approach. As the Cessna touched down, it appears to have immediately initiated a takeoff, just as the Lancair executed a go-around. This sequence led to the 2 aircraft merging in midair. Given its position behind the Cessna, the Lancair was likely outside the pilot's field of view, while the Cessna crew may not have been aware of the Lancair's presence due to its limited rearward visibility. In a tragic twist, the Lancair sideswiped the right side of the Cessna, causing the Lancair to lose a portion of its left wing. The aircraft rolled inverted and plummeted to the ground, resulting in a fatal crash and a post-impact fire. The Cessna, despite being struck, managed to continue flying and landed safely after completing another traffic pattern. The Marana Regional Airport is an uncontrolled field, meaning it lacks an air traffic control tower. Pilots use a common traffic advisory frequency to communicate their positions, but without centralized oversight, the risk of miscommunication or missed calls increases significantly. What could have been done differently to avoid this disaster? This accident underscores the importance of situational awareness, especially in uncontrolled airspace. Clear communication and understanding each aircraft's intentions are crucial for safe operations. While the exact details of what led to the collision are still under investigation, it serves as a sobering reminder of how quickly routine flights can turn tragic. Aviation is an industry built on learning from mistakes to prevent future accidents. If you want to learn more from other aviation mishaps, check out my most recent video on the Delta flight that flipped over while attempting to land. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on aviation safety and accident analysis.